Okay guys, so I think it's the first time for me to buy the GoPro on Xianyu for my bro David. David. Yeah, you can show us the product. I mean, compared to what he bought before, it's really cheap. Like only, I think, what price we paid? Like 800? Yeah. 800, 900. But really decent quality. Very good. And so he can record more vlogs, more diving footage.
Maybe a famous vlogger.
I'll help you, bro. I will help you with that. Yeah, that's it. I mean, it's worth recording.
Several days later.
Today we're buying another MacBook Air. So what do you say, David? Give a feel. I want to make a vlog about our discovery so far. Alright, beautiful. That's the best word. Alright guys, so last time I bought a GoPro for David and he's quite interested. And this time we bought another MacBook Air. Very new and it's gonna be one of the important tools for him later when editing, exploration. Yeah. So how are you gonna do with it, David? Like the function you mentioned about the adventure, right? Before with me, can you talk about your adventure again and Ibiza thing?
You mean create some content?
Yeah, creating content.
Yeah, I'd like to use that GoPro that you got me at a very reasonable price and record some videos and edit them on here and upload them.
Yeah. And
then I'm gonna be just as famous as you, Mr. Stephen.
I'm glad you can say that. I'm flattered. So this MacBook is 2023, still in the warranty with MacBook M2 chip. So very powerful. Also, we checked the price on the official Apple website. It's 10,000 RMB, but here we bought it almost only 6,000, so 4,000 cheaper. That's a lot, like £400 nearly. It's a huge deal. Well, this MacBook Air comes with fingerprint function that can guarantee you the highest data security. 我们买完电脑之后 David, come on, we are having some noodles here, traditional Japanese noodles. 今天还是蛮充实的，就买电脑就过来吃这个。虽然在减肥，但是今天就不管，回去再多做一下有氧运动。Is that alright? The taste, David. Good. 这是充实的一天。
So what's it called?
AKD 奥康达 Luxury Car Mall.
And it's the biggest in China.
Yeah, biggest second-hand car like selling for.
Yeah, Stephen, for my video, tell us a little bit about.
Yeah, so what do you want to know about this place? I mean, we just bought the very nice quality MacBook for David.
Yeah.
If you need anything for me, I can also provide from the screen. Or no matter who you
10% to me, right?
10% commission fee. Yeah.
Right.
All right, David. So I'm going to make an ending for my vlog today. So we finish our mission. We have very good, nice noodle. So everything good with you, David, right? Tasty. Yeah, very good with the food. So also we're at the AKD, the most luxury car mall in China. So I guess that's all for today's vlog. I'll catch you later. Bye.